to connect a phone on your Honda CRV, you will need to go on the phone button over here. Then you will navigate with that knob, so you can turn it to move into the selection, and you can press on it to select. Here it says, would you like to connect a phone? Strangely, you have to say no, because if you say yes, you're gonna go on the actual phone that are actually connected to the car. So if you want to add a new one, you have to say no. So I say no, and then you move to the very last option, which is phone setup. Then you click on connection, add phone. You select the location you want to have. I'll take this one because it's not my car. I select it, and yes, you have to be on discoverable on the discoverable page. So you go on your phone into the Bluetooth settings, and then you hit OK, and
the pairing process requires
wait
operation
this
of a Bluetooth
very
phone.
long
For proper system
message from
function,
Honda.
a compatible Bluetooth phone is required. Please visit the hands-free system website listed in the owner's manual for a list of approved phones and other system information. From the displayed list, select the desired phone.
So then you can see your phone because I'm on discoverable mode. So I select
When
this.
requested by your phone, enter the PIN 0000.
As she said, pair, and
Connection setup is complete. The phone has been added.
there you go. Finally, you can sync the contact with the car or not. So as it's not my car, I say don't allow, but you could transfer everything. So that's it. This is done. Now, all your call will pass automatically to the car. And if you want to listen to music, you can use the auxiliary button here that will toggle between USB and Bluetooth. So when you are on Bluetooth, if you play music on your phone, you will hear it in the car. So I hope this was helpful.